everyone. Over the past few weeks, our team has worked to understand a growing problem within Aldi's self-checkout systems and develop a solution that is innovative, realistic, and scalable. Today, we're going to walk you through our proposed solution to product loss through self-checkout. But first, I want to introduce the rest of my team. I'm Valentina, along with
Logan,
Nora,
Maisie,
Pierce,
and Cameron.
Now, jumping into the problem statement, the issue we are addressing is tied directly to Aldi's self-checkout rollout. Since implementing these systems in the Midwest region, product loss has gone up by 15%. This isn't just about the stolen items. This loss eats directly into profit. Customers have come to expect the convenience of self-checkout. So the real challenge here is, how do you reduce theft without removing the speed and independence that customers want when they shop? Which brings me to the gap analysis. Aldi's shrinkage rate averages at about 1.6%. That might not sound like much, but when you apply that to $23 billion in annual revenue, it adds up to over $368 million in losses. If Aldi can cut that number down, the return is huge. The gap is clear. There is a need for a solution that tightens up loss prevention without adding more issues. Which brings us to our solution. Our answer is a portable buzzer system. Here's how it works. When the customer walks in, they are handed a small buzzer device. As they shop, AI tracks the items they pick up. At checkout, the system verifies that those items were scanned. If an item hasn't been scanned properly and the customer tries to leave, the buzzer triggers a notification to alert staff members. Before exiting the store, customers return the device.
We believe that this buzzer system is the best solution for a couple reasons. To begin, it offers a real-time tracking that should prevent theft. We think this buzzer encourages a smooth, unchanged shopping trip that ultimately helps both parties. In the long term, it should save Aldi large amounts that are lost to theft, promoting the cost-effectiveness of this solution. Another reason to consider this solution is because the system requires minimal changes to implement across the stores. It should provide a seamless, low-effort experience. We consider this solution to be flexible, scalable, and very user-friendly on account of how it works. We think this establishes a security and fairness without invasive measures on either side of the business. Now, moving on to the criteria and analysis of the buzzer system. We've designed certain loss prevention and security features to work towards reducing theft. One feature is the alert that will sound if the buzzer suspects suspicious activity. AI technology will be a huge part in this, in the tracking of inventory when placed in a cart or purchased. As previously stressed, we have made this solution very user-friendly and an insignificant addition to the customer shopping experiences. The technology should minimize human error and intentional non-scanning when checking out. And while we are aware that these buzzers will have to be purchased with a high initial cost, the upkeep is low and the value is very great.
This slide highlights how our solution aligns with Aldi's core values of simplicity, consistency, and responsibility. By integrating with Aldi's streamlined shopping model, our approach enhances the overall customer experience by making it more efficient and straightforward. It supports Aldi's mission to provide a no-frills, cost-effective shopping experience that requires minimal effort from the customer. Ultimately, our solution complements what Aldi already does well, keeping things simple while maximizing value.
We have created a step-by-step plan for implementing this technology in order to guarantee the most seamless transition into a new era of Aldi. We would start by implementing the buzzer into 5 test stores. Then, after 1 year, we would reassess what's working and make any necessary improvements. After fixing any errors, we would then implement it into 500 busiest Aldi stores across America. Then, after fixing any more issues, in 2 years of these devices, it would be ready to branch out to 900 locations, which is approximately half of all Aldis. Finally, 4 years after its initial implementation, it would be ready to send out to all 2,474 locations across America. And then here we have a graph showing the number of stores and the cost, and that cost breakdown will come a little bit later. So then, part of the implementation plan consists of improving off any issues that may arise with these devices. So one of these might be false alarms, and we would rectify this by using AI-powered object recognition to differentiate between legitimate purchases and theft. And then additionally, shopper discomfort, we would use discrete alarms, so vibrations or visual signals, to avoid any customer discomfort. And then finally, we would have simple training sessions for any staff members to make sure they're prepared for potential thefts.
Some more ways we can improve the buzzers would to increase convenience. We can introduce a mobile app alternative and self-service verification instead of having to return physical buzzers. To optimize costs, we can use bulking buying methods in manufacturing, and we could also roll out AI upgrades in phases. We could also integrate with all the future AI systems and use analytics to expand into new stores more effectively. As you can see by this graph, with the buzzers implemented throughout a 12-month process, we can see that product loss is basically non-existent.
So let's break down the cost of the investments. The cost comes from implementation, hardware, staff training, system maintenance, technical support, and software updates. The first year, we expect it to cost around $77,500. The second year, we expect it to cost around $4 million, and in the fourth year, we expect the cost to be around $7,290,000. Benefits come from a combination of the items on the left, which include a reduced theft, improved customer experience, staff efficiency, and brand reputation enhancement. In the first year, we expect a $22,500 return. The second year, we expect nearly an $8 million return. And in the fourth year, we expect $14,310,000 in benefits.
To wrap things up, our call to action is clear. This is the time for Aldi to take bold initiative steps in combating retail theft while upholding its values. By integrating the AI-powered portable buzzer system, Aldi can lead the industry in secure, smart shopping. By implementing this strategy, we have the opportunity to reduce product loss by millions, which directly improves the bottom line. At the same time, we're enhancing customer confidence and experience, two things that are critical in today's competitive retail landscape. This isn't just about solving current problems, it's about leading innovation in a rapidly evolving market. And by embracing AI, we strengthen our security infrastructure, ensuring long-term success and trust. The time to act is now.